Hello everybody. Got a video here. I purchased me a little chainsaw for trimming trees and it's battery operated, and I figured I'd do a video on it here. I can't get outdoors today because of the temp. It's freezing out. When I came out to my garage it was like, I think 18 degrees. I didn't count in the wind chill. So I got some pieces of wood here I'm going to try it out on after I show it to you. Comes in this case, and the brand name is Denqir. It's Denqir. And it comes in this here little case, and it's the back of it is the solid plastic like that just bends. It ain't got the actual hinges on it. So I don't know how long the case would last. Would be nice if they did them with the hinge style instead of the plastic like this, because over time that'll break. Of course, you have your instructions here, and it comes in Chinese, and somewhere it should be in English. I guess English is right below all the Chinese writing, so I should have looked at that before I started the video. It tells you how to remove the chain, loosen, compression button, remove the side cover, and so on. It comes with a pair of gloves. If you wear gloves when you're trimming or whatever. I don't. It also comes with a little cheap pair of safety glasses. It comes with another chain, and this has 2 bars with it. So here's the other bar. They're different lengths. Of course, you got your screwdriver, and this is not a quality screwdriver. It's kind of cheap made. It's all plastic, got a bend to it there. Wish they'd put better tools in with it. This here handle is just cheap plastic, so it's not going to last long. So if you was going to do much with it, I would put you a better screwdriver or some tools in with it. You got this little wrench. It's not made as bad. It could be better. It's for loosening and tightening this here nut that goes on the tensioning part here. The saw actually has a little guard here to protect you from getting cut. You take this cover off here, you just remove the nut and that cover comes off, and the bar will slide back, and you can loosen the chain up and change it out, or put the other bar on that's longer. It has a little safety on the side here for you to push the button before you can pull the trigger. Without pushing it, you can't pull the trigger back and accidentally start it. It's a 21 volt battery. It's lithium. I don't know how long this will stay charged up. I've not really used it yet, so today will be the first time. It does come with a second battery, which is good. That way you can charge one while the other is going. Comes with a little charger. You just plug it in, and these are kind of different made. It just plugs in up here instead of having an actual charger that you slide it into. Hopefully these have enough charge in it. I didn't check them before starting a video. But once you push that button there, and this does not have an oiler on it, so kind of weird. Most saws have it where you can oil it. So just to be on the safe side, I would add a little oil to it before you start it maybe. I got a piece of 2x2 here. I want to go ahead and try cutting it. I didn't oil it, I should, but for this video I'm not going to. For that, on the 2x2, which most limbs you're going to be trimming probably is going to be about this size or smaller. So it should do really good. I got a piece of 2x4 here. We'll try it on it. And I'll actually turn around this way. It didn't do too bad on that. The chain's already coming loose on it though. So I'm going to stop there because it's sagging down already quite a bit. On the battery, to remove it, you just push this button here down and it slides forward and comes off of it. So, like I said, I would definitely add some oil to the bar when you get ready to use it, and maybe in between cuts, or maybe even some WD-40 or something to lubricate it just a little bit. But overall, for just trimming really small limbs, I don't think it would be that bad. Just, like I said, it needs some kind of oiler on it for the bar and chain. I don't know why they didn't do that, but maybe the manufacturer will eventually change it and add it where you can put a little oil to it. If not, that chain ain't gonna last long, and neither is the bar. So do I recommend it? Yeah, I recommend it for doing really small limbs and stuff. But like I said, if you're gonna use it consecutively, you need to have something to oil that. But overall, not a bad little saw if you're just, like I said, using it for small limbs. So I'll put the link down below for this if you're interested in buying one. Yeah, I got it off of Amazon, so I don't know how many they've sold of these, but the price ain't too bad for you getting 2 batteries and stuff. So I'll put the link down below. Check them out if you're interested, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.